Okay, well, we're just gonna go with the flow. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shannon McKinley, and if you're new here, welcome. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos that I have coming your way. So in today's video, I think you can tell by the title, I'm going to be cleaning up my desk. Wanted to film a video for you guys, and you guys said that you wanted to see more cleaning videos, which thank you, because it actually helps me because I'm messy. Yeah, I desperately need to clean my room, but I'm procrastinating, and so I thought I would clean up my desk because I sit here a lot, definitely a lot more these past 3 weeks with my jobs. I work at a school, so we have Christmas break for 3 weeks, so sadly this is my last week. So I just really wanted to come on here and, like, you know, as I said, clean my desk because it really needs it. It's very cluttered, like very cluttered. I just have so much planner stuff. I just want it to look nice and also just organize it. But let's just get on to this video because I want to make this intro short for you guys. So yeah, let's just get into this video. Okay, this is the situation as of right now. Why is it not? There we go. This is my desk right now. Okay, please don't judge. Yeah. I really want to reorganize this. Like, that thing is from May of last year. I want that gone. I don't even use it, so I do use that guy. I just, like, have 2 Christmas decor on here. It just needs to be reorganized. And then this thing needs to be reorganized. And same with down here, okay? Or this I get into a lot. This is all the stuff that I'm using. It needs to be organized, okay? Like, yeah. I would love to move this all out and reorganize it. So, that's the task for today. Yeah. Yep. That's my task. Yes. That's my task for today. I'm really... See, now I'm procrastinating and doing it. I just need to buckle down, reorganize it, declutter for sure, because I have too many pens. Too many pens, too many sticker books. Like, you're currently on sticker books. That's why there's a pile on my desk, because I'm using that. So, yeah. Let's just do it. Okay, I know. Prolonging the cleaning. I don't know where to begin first. I think I'm just going to start with the top of my desk. Clear it off. You can't even see what I'm doing. All you can see is me. Okay, I'm gonna put you on a tripod. switching out my candles. I'm hilarious, I know. Okay, so, here's the thing. I've done some, sorry, I'm looking at myself in, like, the viewfinder. I have done quite a bit, as you can see. I'm not done. Like, I still, like, have this just hanging. I want to get a new rag, because I've really gone through this. I want to declutter more than I have. Dusted things, and it looks better than it has, needless to say. I want to find more decor pieces. Like, I'm sure I have some down here that I could use. Like, even in my bookcase that's over here. I'm sure I have some in there. Like, something to fill that corner up there would be great. Maybe something Haunted Mansion would be kind of cool. To tie it back in, maybe. I have an idea. I'm gonna go off camera. I'm still working on this. The whole time I was talking to my cousin, kind of neglecting this. And I don't want this video to be too long. So when I come back, I'll show you kind of what I did. Don't really need to see the process. So, yeah. Okay, update time. So I've been at this for a while. Oh my wow, you guys. It looks pretty decent. It actually looks a lot better than it has. There are a few things, keep in mind. I'm still working on this, that I still need to clean. But this is the current situation right now. So right now, these 4 things need to have a home. I finally got, like, I just put that there for right now. This little guy, I still want to work on this little spot. Figuring out where that's going to go. My computer. This little section I really like. I took this box that has Avengers, the first Avengers in it. I wanted to find a good spot for it, so I did that. These guys that I love, this Madame Leota and the Hitchhiking Ghosts, I gotta say, they look gorgeous. This spot, and guys, there's no dust. Like, no dust, and I love it. Still working there. This kind of got a little organized. I am hanging my pictures. That's why there's command hooks on the wall, waiting an hour. Also to save my command hooks, because I have other things that I want to hang with them. I cut them, so yeah, don't mind that. But this is my desk situation. I am going to be cleaning this up. I am going to be focusing on this for right now. So I want to clean that up. Kind of want to deal with all this. So, yeah. Yeah, I don't know. I will definitely be keeping you updated. I don't know how much I'm going to show down there. because it's dark. My camera doesn't like me apparently right now, so I'm going to film the top of my desk later. It is nowhere near being perfect. I definitely want to wait until my hour's up to definitely show you my pictures that I'm hanging up. And they should look really cute. I'm super excited. I want to figure out my Haunted Mansion section of my room, but I want to figure out the rest of my desk. So I'm gonna keep organizing and I will update you guys later. Okay. Hey guys. So I am finally pretty much finished with my desk, and all I gotta say is wow, I really like it. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. First I'm gonna show you a before, so enjoy. It didn't look so good, did it? No. Here it is now. Enjoy. All I gotta say is wow, there's a lot more space. Yes, this is a rip from a sticker. You know you're a planner babe when you totally rip your desk. Yeah, I should have bought something to go on top of this so that wouldn't happen. But yeah, so if you keep seeing that, that's why. But yeah, currently burning a candle. I dusted my whole desk. We got my Hatbox Ghosts and Pirates, because why not? I mean, come on. You know, gotta have hand sanitizer out at all times. I decluttered my pens. Also, yes, that is Titanic on my Google homepage. Yeah, I love it. Okay, besides one, I reorganized this. More like got rid of some things and then added way more stickers. I really like it. Then, you know, as you saw earlier, these guys, they look amazing. And then these guys got hanging. Yes, I do know that's crooked, but whatever, we're gonna deal with it. I didn't get any help, so that's what happens when I don't get help, and I didn't ask for it. So yeah, so my little Haunted Mansion area looks pretty decent. Kind of want to add him up there, but he keeps falling. Well, let's try. He's so not gonna last long. Yeah. Oh well. This is my Haunted Mansion section. And it kind of continues down here. This is just clean. Squishy. And then, wow, I can't see it. These guys got a new home. Yeah. I vacuumed, so that's a plus. Guys, it looks so good. I'm gonna give you a silent overview now. But that's the end of this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it, and if you did, be sure to give this video a nice big thumbs up, and also comment down below if you like seeing cleaning videos, because I'm thinking about cleaning my room tomorrow. No, I'm actually going to do it. I'm going to clean my room tomorrow, and I'm going to take you guys along with me. I'm hoping it's a shorter video and doesn't take me as long. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you guys don't miss out on any future videos that I have coming your way, because I have some good ideas that I want to make for you guys. With that being said, I love you guys. Have a very magical day or night wherever y'all may be, and I'll see you in my next video. Okay, bye. See, I knew it was gonna fall. I